action.
Alright, so we've wiped off all the excess glue. We're just going to continue right around. Primer. Primer. This cleans the PVC very thoroughly. Make sure everything's going to stick. Then, a little glue. Knock off the excess. Make sure it's all around the surface on the inside. You're going to push it on like so. Hold it, and I'm using the table to make sure it's right at 90 degrees. Hold it maybe 15-20 seconds. And we're going to call that good. Next joint. Primer. Primer. Make sure it's all covered. As quickly as we can. Some glue. Knock off the excess. Make sure it's completely covered. If any part's not covered, that means we're going to have a bad seal. The air will escape and the rocket launcher will not work. Push it in there. Hold it at 90 degrees, like so. I've got using the table to make sure it's at 90 degrees. And I think that is good. So I'll wipe off the excess again. The excess will actually dissolve the outside of the PVC, because what this glue does is dissolve both sides of the PVC and they actually melt to each other. That's why you want to wipe the excess off. And then we're ready to continue. Pull this out. Here's our PVC nipple. We're gonna primer. We're gonna primer. So. Pull out the glue, make sure it's all covered like that, the entire surface, so we want a good seal. I'm going to press it in there, hold it. I think that's good. Wipe off the excess glue. Then we're ready to put this on. Now we're going to have to really make sure this stays straight up. If we glue it crooked, it's going to be crooked. One of you guys had a crooked one intentionally, but this one is supposed to be by the book. So I'm primering this. I'm primering the inside of that. Here we go. This is going to be a little tricky. I'm going to go with the female side this time. We're going to push this in, and we're going to hold it at 90 degrees, like so. Yep, looks about straight. Once this glue dries, you are done. Notice how there's no nipple showing right there now, because the PVC will go in a lot farther when you glue it than it does when you dry fit it. It's an important consideration when you're doing anything with PVC. Be very careful not to put pressure on any of those parts, but I need to get this nipple out, but it's not coming out, so I may have to get my pliers. Let's pause while I get my pliers.